Looking to shed those extra pounds while enjoying flavorful meals? Say hello to 5 ways to cook chicken.
Number 1. Fire up that grill. Grilled chicken adds smoky goodness and tantalizing aroma to your weight loss adventure. It's a flavor you'll fall for. Number 2. Next, embrace the oven's magic. Tender and infused with herbs and spices, roasted chicken is a delightful low-calorie option. Number 3. You can also stir-fry your way to a healthier meal. Chicken stir-fries are bursting with color and nutrients. Number 4. Light and lean, steamed chicken is a guilt-free choice. Lock in the natural flavors while keeping the calories in check. Lastly, pan-searing, quick and satisfying for a mouthwatering meal. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more tips.